Alright boys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your first $20,000 on Fanvue with Instagram Threads. Threads is printing free traffic right now and most agencies are sleeping on it. I'll show you the exact play I'm using to get my model thousands of new subs on autopilot. The best part, a bot's doing 90% of the work while we focus on scaling. Why Threads? Be honest, you've probably been grinding out reels trying to go viral and getting nowhere. Instagram algorithm is throttled unless you're dropping ad money, organic is basically dead. Threads is still wide open, tons of free reach with barely any effort. Even brand new accounts are hitting 5k plus views with basic posts. Most users are US based and mostly male. Perfect traffic for AI models. Way less noise than Instagram, Reddit or X. More eyes on your girls, less competition in the feed. Now, what kind of posts work best? Keep it simple, flirty one-liners, teasing questions and curiosity hooks are gold. Don't waste time overthinking, just post more and test more. The best strategy? 79 posts per model per day. Consistency is what wins here. Now there's two ways to run Threads. You can run the organic method or the black hat method, which is what I use. Threads loves active users. The more you engage, the more your content gets noticed. But the best move is to follow guys who are liking and following other models in your niche. Organic growth works, but I'm using a Threads bot for maximum reach. My system. This strategy relies on slave accounts who are used for mass following to drive traffic into the main account. Now we have two types of accounts. One main account and the slave accounts. The main account is the model actual profile. You only post high quality content in there, and the goal of the account is to convert visitors into Fanvue subscribers. Now let's talk about the slave accounts, aka the worker bees. Their purpose is to drive traffic into the main account and then into Fanvue. What they do is they just do mass following. They follow 50 plus users a day. The action flow goes as follows. Slave account follow hundreds of people. People get curious and check the profile. Now each slave account in their bio has a call to action telling people to follow the main account. But it also has the Fanvue link in case some people want to sub straight from there. Following people on 50 accounts manually on Threads, it's tough to scale like that. That's where the Threads bot comes in. If you try to follow people on 50 accounts manually on Threads, it's gonna be tough. That's where the Threads bot comes in. This bot automates mass following. Each account follows 50 plus people per day with minimal input, just running in the background. I personally have 50 Threads accounts, all following 50 people a day. That's 2,500 people daily checking your Threads profile and clicking on your Fanvue link. Let me show you how the bot works in practice. So first things first, you go into Threads and you go into an AI model's profile. Then you go into her latest post. Click view activity. Go into likes and sort by most recent. The reason we sort by most recent is we want to follow people who have recently been active on Threads. As you can see, this guy liked this post 5 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, instead of following someone who's been active 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Now we're going to run my Threads mass following bot. This bot is a Chrome extension. So you open the extension and you put in the follow amount and the follow delay. Now the follow delay is in seconds and I recommend you put 7 and 15. But since this is a demo, I'm gonna put 2 and 3 so I can show you guys quickly how the bot works. Then you click start. As you can see, the bot starts following people randomly from the list instead of a sequential order from top to bottom. So yeah, as you can see, the bot starts following people. The reason it starts following people randomly in the list, not from top to bottom, is that the Instagram algorithm doesn't detect it as spam. So yeah, then you can stop the bot or it will stop by itself. So yeah, once the bot has followed the amount of people you put in settings, it will stop by itself. Now let me explain why this strategy works so well. You're following people who have already liked models in your niche. That's warm traffic, which means they're more likely to follow and sub. And by adding a call to action in the model's bio and pinning an inciting post, you've got a soft funnel in place. One of my students who follows this strategy got 340 subs within 5 days of running it with 20 Threads accounts. I don't share this bot or setup publicly, but if you're tired of struggling to get consistent growth, inside my private community I'll show you how to get real sustainable traffic. Step-by-step bot install and walkthrough, templates that actually drive views and follows, warm-up methods that keep you safe from flags and bans, my proven system for consistent new subs daily, and how to scale this system with 50 plus accounts. Join my free Discord by clicking the link in the description and DM me to get started.